Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So let's begin with the today's video. आज मैं आप लोगों को बताने जा रही हूँ बीएड का ही एक टॉपिक जो कि है काउंसलिंग। और वो टॉपिक जो है वो आप सबकी एजुकेशन हो या फिर आप किसी टॉपिक पर रिसर्च कर रहे हो, आपको काम आएगा। तो यू कैन have a look on this video, and if you like my channel, please do like, share and subscribe with your friends. So let's start the video. So friends, what do you understand by the term counselor? Basically, what comes in your mind when you hear this word counselor? Counselor. So counselor, it can be any person who gives you advice, who never judges you, who gives you complete space to talk about your things, your problems, your difficulties which you might have faced. Okay, so a counselor is a proper, highly qualified person who should never judge you while talking with you. He should listen to you very seriously, and very slowly he should understand you. So there are some qualities of a counselor. A counselor can be more than 2 people, 3 people, and there may be each one of you. So if I tell you some qualifications of a counselor, first of all, he should be qualified by the education, which I already told you. Like if education में वो अपने आप को एक बेहतरीन इंसान के तौर पर नहीं दिखा पा रहा है, तो वो दूसरे पर्सन की लेवल ऑफ जजमेंट को नहीं समझ पाता। सेकेंड इज़ प्रोफेशनल एजुकेशन। आपने देखा होगा स्कूल्स में भी बहुत सारे प्रोफेशनल काउंसलर्स होते हैं जो कि बच्चों की मेंटालिटी और उनके मन की बातों को समझने के लिए पूरी उनकी साइकोलॉजी को रीड करते हैं, और वही उसके लिए एक प्रोफेशनल एजुकेशन की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है जो कि एक काउंसलर में होनी चाहिए। ठीक है। एंड द थर्ड वन इज़ कोर एरियाज ऑफ ट्रेनिंग। ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई भी पहले से सीख कर आता है, सबको ट्रेनिंग की रिक्वायरमेंट है। ट्रेनिंग प्रॉपर होनी चाहिए काउंसलर के पास कि वो दूसरे पर्सन की फीलिंग्स को समझ सके, इमोशनली, मेंटली एंड सोशली। ही शुड बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट पर्सन completely. Now next one is experience. Counselor should be experienced in his profession. हम किसी भी काउंसलर को ऐसे ही हायर नहीं कर सकते जिसके पास एक्सपीरियंस ना हो, क्योंकि दैट वुड नॉट बी एबल टू वर्क इन दैट पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन। सो एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को ध्यान में रखना चाहिए कि एक काउंसलर जो है उसके पास एक एजुकेशन हो, प्रोफेशन बाय प्रोफेशन उसने वो चीज़ पहले की हो, और उसके अंदर उतनी ज़्यादा एक प्रोफेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन भी हो जिससे कि वो सिचुएशन को ईजिली टैकल कर सके। Next one is relationship skills. These relationship skills, I think, work in almost in all our life situations, like from our family to our profession. Okay, if we are maintaining a good relation with the other person, so we are doing the work of counselor as well. What the counselor works actually, he is able to interact with the person directly or indirectly, by the way of communication, by the way of intrapersonal skills, by the way of interpersonal skills. So he is maintaining a discipline between himself and the person which is besides him. So he must have the relationship skills. Second one is communication skills. If you are talking on your side and you are not giving the proper amount of time to the person whom you are listening, so he may be able to get bored, or he may not be able to listen you anymore. So you should give time to speak another one itself. Questioning skills. What is the meaning of questioning skills? Questioning skills are like if you are questioning the person who you are interviewing face to face. So you should first start with the simple questions, and then you should move to the difficult one, so that the person can be comfortable in his own position. You should keep yourself into that particular person so that you may be able to understand his situation. Okay, that is also called empathy. We should not the counselor should not provide the sympathy to the person, because the person cannot be tolerable to that person, and he may get angry or in confusion. So what does a counselor basically do? He understands the needs of the person, the sufferer who is suffering from any kind of mental disorder or anything. So he may provide some solutions or how to deal with that particular situations in a problematic situation. So this is the work of a counselor which he performs. Next one is giving information. So one of his responsibility is to provide a reliable information to the person so that it may be useful for him. Next one is listening skill. I have already told you this feature. Next one is responding skills. You should give some gestures while the person is speaking, like in front of you, so that he may be able to interact with you properly. Communication, interactive skills, listening skills, all these are interrelated with each other, so you cannot separate them all. So these are some good qualities of a counselor which he performs while interacting with a person directly or indirectly. So this was my main motive, to make you all understand that what is the counselor basically do. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my content, then you can share and subscribe with your friends. Thank you.